Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and make some Christmas gift baskets, and these are going to be for the teachers. So the first thing you need is your cup of coffee. And thanks to the bestie, this is my mug that I use every year. It says Merry Christmas. She gave it to me for Christmas, and I love it. So make sure you have your coffee. I just took a sip. Okay, I'm going to be using these gift baskets that you get from the dollar store. And these are just to put little blankets in. But you guys, I have been loving the size of this basket ever since I found them. And I picked them up at the dollar store, so even better for me. Oh no. Okay. So let's get started. So we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna remove the tags. Like so. Okay, I am going to add shred paper at the bottom of the basket. You can do tissue, you can do shred paper. Well, you know what? I think I'm going to do tissue for this one. Okay. Because the shred paper sometimes comes out of here, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to use a little bit of tissue. I'm going to grab a red tissue. I'm going to cut it in half. And that's going to be that. Nothing special, nothing big. Because I do have things I need to add in here. I just want to give it some color. See? Now you can add more tissue if you like, or add a whole sheet to each. It's up to you. Or like I said, add your shredded paper from the dollar store, but I don't want it coming out. The first thing I'm going to add are these Best Teacher Ever stickers. These are great for a mug, a wine cup, their coffee cup, whatever they want to put it on. These are from the dollar store, and I believe the bestie gave these to me, and I knew exactly that they were going to go on a teacher's basket or a teacher DIY or a teacher gift. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add one. Now I'm kind of like bending it a little bit because these baskets, you know, they do have a good room, but I want it to kind of like stand out. What do you guys think so far? Cute, right? Okay, I'm just trying to move the camera just a little bit. Okay, the next thing I'm adding, you guys, these are my kids' favorites, and these are for the cocoa bar. If you guys don't like these are amazing. I get them every year from the dollar store, and they're milk chocolate flavor, and they're just chocolate spoons. They're great for your cocoa bar. They're great for the kids. They're gonna love them, you guys. Trust me, I like them. Okay, so the next thing I kind of wanted to add is a chocolate chip cookie mix. I thought it would be cool since it is Christmas, and this is a simple, easy 3-step recipe. It doesn't get any easier than this, so I thought this would be great to add on there. So this is from the dollar store as well. So that kind of gives the basket a great weight right there. You know, so it won't fall. The next thing I'm adding is a spatula. And this is from the Target dollar spot. You guys, look how cool it is. You can also pick it up at the dollar store. Okay, I want you to be able to see the basket. So give me a minute. Okay, so let's add the next one. So Target dollar spot, you guys. They have them in the green. Oh, I want to say a yellow. Go ahead and check out my Instagram. Let me get it right. I mean wrong. So that's cute. You can put it to the side. You can move things around. It's nothing like, whoa. I picked these up at Walmart for, I want to say 60 cents. You guys go check out Walmart for the holidays. They have the most affordable prices, 60 cents. I thought this would be great to add onto here. So I'm going to add it on here. Holidays. How cool is that? So that's going to be, oh my God, it even looks great like that. But I'm going to continue. I picked up the cocoa from the dollar store, and it says Merry Christmas. I thought this would be great to add to the baskets. See how it goes sideways? I like that. I am also giving them from the Target dollar spot. I got a bunch of these last year, and it says eat together, live thankfully, and gather often. And remember, I did a video because I did it had nothing here, and I added the red beads, which I'm so happy I did. And I thought this would be a great gift to give them, since it's a personal DIY for me. Okay, and it's kind of getting packed already. I just want to add a couple more things, nothing big. But this is a great basket, a great idea if you're going to give a teacher. This is all affordable, you know. A lot of it is from the Target dollar spot, Walmart, and the Dollar Tree. So you can't go wrong. Nothing is like really expensive on there. I picked these up from the Target dollar spot as well. And these are the cookie cutters because I have the cookie mix. So that looks really good right there. Now you can stop there or keep going. I'm gonna have to go ahead and add a couple more things, and I hope it fits. Look at how cute these are. These are the Grinch bracelets DIY'd by my godchild. Aren't they great? I'm like, I have to add these onto here. A little Grinch bracelet. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and add the gift card. So that's good enough already. I'm not going to add no more chocolates. I wanted to add a couple chocolates, but I feel like if I do, it's going to be an overload. What I will be adding is a gift card. And I thought this year I should do TJ Maxx. That way they can go ahead and buy themselves something nice. After the holidays, you know, everything's on sale. Just writing the amount on here. And I also DIY'd my own, sorry, that's the tape. My own gift card holders. How cute are these? So I did these, my Cricut, really simple, tape, and it cuts it itself. So you don't have to do nothing but tape it together. So I'm gonna add the gift card if I can find it. You're good. You just add the gift card. You see? And that's it. Simple to do. Really cute. I think these are really cute, guys. Look at them. Close up. I made them myself. Add them onto here. Oh, you know what I want to add before I add that? The kids' names. So I'm adding the kids' names. Antonio and Manuel. So I made a little stickers with the kids' names. Can you guys see that? How did I make them? I use my machine that I'm in love with, you guys. I'm going to link this on my Amazon storefront. Simple to use. I did a video on it. You guys, amazing. If you want to make labels for the holidays, this is your machine. There's also a really smaller one. So, you know, you can't lose. I'm going to write the kids' names on here. But I don't want to do it on this beautiful card. I'm going to do it on the gift card. And that way We know how you forget and then you go home and then you have all these gifts from your students and you're like, wait, who gave me this? So I'm gonna do this and on the basket as well, so they remember which student gave them what. Look at how cute it came out. I wanna kind of put this in the front. Okay, so right there you have beautiful gift baskets, you guys. I don't know if you guys like them, but I think they came out really pretty this year. So thank you to my friend Marianne. I'm gonna use my bags that she bought me from the dollar store, and you get 2 for $1. And let's get started. You grab your bag, you open it up. I'm gonna show you really quick. And this one is because I want to put their names on the basket too. Manoa. So I'm gonna put their names on the basket as well. Okay. You open up your bag. The basket goes right in the middle, like right in the middle of the line. You see how that went right in the middle? Right in the middle. Don't ever get scared, even if the bag is bigger than the basket. Trust me, you can do it, and I'm going to show you right now. Okay, I'm going to measure my ribbon. I do 3 long and measure the same length to the next one. Because I like my ribbon to hang, I don't know about you. And cut it. Okay, my ribbon is also on the Amazon storefront, so if you want to go check that out, this ribbon will last you throughout the holidays, past the holidays, at least a good year. Okay, we're gonna grab it and we're gonna bend it. You saw what I did? I grabbed it and I bend it. Bring it back. You're gonna grab your tape and you're gonna tape it as far as you can. You saw what I did? I hope so. I know a lot of you guys are like, your hands are in the way. But I try. I'm going to do the same thing to this one. I'm going to grab it. I'm going to bring it back as far as I can. And I'm going to tape it. Tape it. Tape it. Turn it around. Pull it up, and this is where the magic begins. We're gonna pull it up. I'm gonna bring it up so you guys can see that. We're gonna grab your ribbon. We're gonna bend the ribbon in half. Always do half. Grab the basket. Bring your ribbon. We're gonna just tie a knot right here. We're gonna do 1 loop. We're gonna do underneath and bring the loop. You saw how pretty the ribbon, it just falls. Just trying to get it so you guys can see it. Okay, so this is very important. You guys have told me you're a lifesaver. This tip has changed my life. You grab the top of it and you cut 1/3 off. Don't get scared. Cut the 1/3 off. And it's gonna look funny, right? You saw how that looks really funny and you're like, oh. Well, it doesn't matter because we're gonna fluff it up. And look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is fluffed up. Now, why do I do that? Because trust me, if you don't cut 1/3 off, if you only do half, by the time you give this basket to the teacher, it's gonna sag all the way down. Cutting 1/3 off will leave it as fresh as it looks from the day you made it to the day you give it to the teacher. Trust me, it's a great tip. It's great advice. I'm saving you a lot of time. And I'm telling you, I'm saving you a lot of hassle by doing this. Do this and trust me, your basket will look beautiful when you're ready to give it to the teacher every time. Now let's go ahead and make the other one. If you don't want to, you can just forward or skip the video and you're done. But that is a great tip, you guys. A lot of people have told me, you changed my life with that. And it's just making baskets, you know. But it's a great tip, I'm telling you, because I've been through this. I've done the mistake of not cutting the top. I've done the mistake of cutting it too tall. And by the time I give that person the basket, it's a disaster. And like this, not only are you gonna ensure that the basket looks great, everything is gonna fall into place. Everything is gonna look gorgeous. You're gonna end up being, trust me, give a basket like this to anybody, your best friend, your teacher, your mother, your parents, whoever. They're gonna love it. They're gonna appreciate it. They're gonna thank you for it. So let me go ahead and put this one together as well. And you can actually be done if you want. Or keep looking. Make sure you guys drink your coffee. I don't like cold coffee unless it is cold coffee. I like my coffee nice and hot. But always when you're watching my video, especially when it's Christmas, grab a cup of coffee. Because that's what I do. When I'm filming, I grab my cup of coffee. And it actually inspires me to film. Look how cool that is. It almost looks like it's like meant to be like that. And grab half of the ribbon, like I said, half. Grab your ribbon. Bring it around. Make a tight knot. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a bow. Go underneath. Grab a third. And cut it. Fluff it up. And there you go. You have not one, but two gorgeous baskets. I am gonna put their names on the basket right here, just so I know whose is whose. But I think they came out really cute. What do you guys think? So Merry Christmas, you guys. My giveaway should be up. If not yet, it is coming. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And until next time. Bye, you guys.